Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Ameris Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in amerisbank.com and click on enter. After that, at the right hand side you will see a box. Now select which account you want to log in, either it's personal or business account. Now type in your username and click on sign in button. Now click on this continue with security code button. After that, the bank will call or send you a text message and ask you to enter your security code, and then you can log into your Ameris Bank account. Or click on this link if you want to log into your different account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.